Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove YouTube search history or how to clear YouTube search history in laptop. So you just need to log into your YouTube in the laptop and you will see a window like this. And at the left hand side, you have this three parallel lines. We need to click on that. And then we will have the fourth option, history. And the moment we click on that, at the right side, we have clear watch history and manage all history. So once we click on clear, it will clear the watch history. And if you go to manage all history, you will see a window like this where you can select saving your YouTube history, whether you want to turn off this feature so it will not keep the search history for you. All right, and auto delete on, you can select the time like auto delete 3 months, or it is up to you how you want to do it. But if you want to just simply clear the history, the YouTube search history, you just need to go this and clear, like I'll show you. Again, I'll click on clear watch history and again clear watch history. That's it. And all the search history will be removed from the YouTube, whether you're using laptop or a desktop. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.